To configure Apple Pay NFC payments, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay, which includes iPhone 6 and later models, Apple Watch, iPad Air 2 and later, and Mac models from 2012 and later with an Apple Pay-enabled device. First, you need to add a credit or debit card to the Wallet app on your device. Open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Then select the type of card you want to add, whether it is a credit card, debit card, or a rewards card. Next, use the camera to capture the card information or enter it manually. You may be asked to provide additional verification information, such as the security code and expiration date. After adding your card, your bank will verify the information to ensure it matches their records. You may receive a verification code via email, text message, or phone call, which you will need to enter to complete the verification process. Once your card is verified, you can start using Apple Pay to make NFC payments. To do this, simply hold your device near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. When making a payment, make sure the merchant accepts Apple Pay and that the contactless payment terminal is turned on. You will see the Apple Pay symbol on the terminal or on the merchant's card reader, indicating that Apple Pay is accepted. To keep your transactions secure, always keep your device and card information up to date, and use a passcode or biometric authentication to protect your device. Regularly review your transaction history to detect any suspicious activity and report it to your bank immediately if you notice anything unusual. By following these steps, you can easily configure Apple Pay NFC payments and start making secure and convenient transactions with your device.